Now, given that the camera is just a tool to facilitate what's happening, I went to this government website, and they have a lot of very good instructional materials. But what you want the students to get thinking through with you is, once they make this field trip, they are going to be developing a 360 camera approach on several of the processes that go on in a sewage treatment plant. And they're going to then be sharing this with others. It is a lot of work to get this assembled, and a field trip to a sewage treatment plant is wonderful, but you're going to see that, for example, if you were in this machine room in a large plant, where would you put the camera? So students will all have a component that they're working on, either individually or possibly with a team, and they are going to be part of thinking through how this tool, in this particular case, the 360 camera, is going to help them develop a project that later they can share out with other schools. Now, using the ISTE standard 1.A for students, creating empowered learners, the students are going to articulate and set personal learning goals and develop strategies, leveraging technologies to help achieve them, and they're going to reflect on the learning process itself and how to improve outcomes in the future. Now, this tool could transform my work and the work I do with colleagues, because part of my work, I have an application website where I keep work that's been done by me and by other students that they might want to share. As you can see across the top, we're starting to categorize these as people create ideas that they want to share with others. We bring them into this website. So what I would do would be to take the 360 camera work and share it here. But I would also want the students in my class, the K-12 students, develop their own website. Now, here's an example of a website created a couple of years back with the older Google websites by several geology teachers who were in earth science, and they wanted students across New York State to be able to do a collaborative project where they would go and visit local landforms and share them. So the sewage treatment project would have a similar outcome, where the students would create something that could then be shared out with other schools. And my idea would be that this eventually would be something that might be taken up by the National Science Teacher Association,